Welcome back to Mr. English Guide. In today's video, listen to a natural English conversation between Arfa and Alex as they talk about how to improve communication skills. Let's start.
Hey, Alex, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, Arfa. I've been good. Just busy with work and trying to improve my communication skills lately.
Oh, that's interesting. I've been working on that too. It's such an important skill, isn't it?
Absolutely. Whether it's at work, school, or even daily life, good communication makes everything easier.
Sometimes I get nervous while speaking English, even when I know the right words.
I totally understand. It happens to me too. I think confidence is a big part of communication.
True. I also struggle to express my ideas clearly. Sometimes I just go blank.
Yeah, that happens when our brain works faster than our mouth.
Exactly. So what do you do to handle that?
Well, I try to practice speaking every day, even if it's just talking to myself.
Oh, really? Like how?
For example, I describe what I'm doing, like I'm making coffee, or I'm writing an email.
That's a good idea. It keeps your brain active in English.
Exactly. And I also record my voice to check pronunciation and fluency.
Try something similar, but I like watching English movies or YouTube.
So you practice shadowing. That's powerful.
Yes, it helps me learn natural tone and expressions.
Do you use subtitles?
At first, yes, but later I turn them off. It helps me focus on listening and pronunciation.
The hardest part for most people is consistency.
Exactly. Many start learning, but they give up after a week.
Yeah, improving communication is like working out. You have to do it regularly.
Totally agree. Even 10 minutes a day is better than nothing.
Right. Practice small conversations like ordering food, asking questions, or talking to friends in English.
I also realized one thing. You shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes.
100%. Mistakes are part of learning. If you never make mistakes, you're not trying enough.
That's true. And the more we speak, the more confident we get.
Exactly. Communication is not about perfect grammar. It's about expressing your ideas clearly.
Well said, Alex. So, to sum up, practice daily, shadow native speakers, record your voice, and don't fear mistakes.
Right. And remember, confidence grows when you use English every day.
Thanks, Alex. That was super helpful.
My pleasure, Arfa. Let's keep improving together.
Now it's your turn, learners. Comment below with one thing you do to improve communication skills. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide for daily lessons.